Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have a circular mask on your video without really having any effects or any transitions involved. So, the only thing you're going to do is to have a mask on your video to have that circular effect on it. So, let's say that this is our video right here and we want to create sort of like a circular focus on it. So what you need to do is quickly from video, just go and click on mask. Then from here, you already have just click on circle and then you now have a circular mask all throughout the video. That's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.